So this is a much simpler machine than its predecessor, the T Apparel Pro. It's designed for approximately 600 to 700 shirts an hour, and the great thing about this machine is it bags as well. So let me give you a short demonstration. I've got a t-shirt on the folding templates now. It's basically how it works. The machine can also be set up to fold automatically so that it continues to run, and I'll give you a demonstration of that. Oops, there we go. So the T-Mini will fold polyester and dry fit shirts just as well as cotton shirts, polo shirts, dry fit shirts, ladies tops, long sleeve or short, the PLC is easy to use with an on-off button, an emergency stop, and a fully programmable control board, which will allow you up to 5 settings, say men's short sleeve, long sleeve, ladies tops, kids, and maybe some lightweight fleece. That can all be pre-programmed and saved into the PLC. The PLC can easily be turned from manual with the manual release buttons, or it can be programmed to go automatic, just simply by changing the F1, F2 buttons. Advanced, you can bypass the packaging if you prefer. So packaging can be turned on or turned off if you prefer not to bag the product.